Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Myself Vasant, an undergraduate from mechanical engineering. I started this channel to share my digital notes. So, in this video, I'm going to explain how you can make use of my digital notes which I share with you through YouTube. So, once you download whatever I share through the description, whatever you can find in the description, the squid notes, once you get downloaded it into your device, how you can access that notes for your learning. That's what I'm going to discuss in this video. So you have to click this plus button. There will be an option for import squid notes. So you can just press that and you can see here, this is how the extension will be, dot squid note. This is how I will be sharing. So this S0 make reference of this arrangement of chapters. So first chapter or zeroth chapter, first chapter, second chapter. This is how I will be sharing my notes. So first I will take the first chapter, the zeroth chapter. So if you just select that, it gets imported into your device. So once it get imported into your device, you can see here, once you get imported, you can write whatever you need. So selecting the thickness, whatever the thickness you prefer, I maximum prefer 0.5 thickness. So with that you can write whatever you want. Whatever colors, there are variable of colors you need, you can select the colors and you can make whatever you want to add to the context. For example, if you like to add some points in this context, you can just add. So you can just to the where you want to add, the place you have to go, and you just write whatever you need. So similarly, not only you can add the content of your learning or your idea, but also you can erase if you don't like the content, which, or if you like to modify the content, you can just erase, or you can just click, you can select the content and change the color of the content according to your will, or you wish, how you wish. You can just change, you can manipulate it to the great degree. Even you can vary the size of the, you just by clicking this you can vary the size, and the thickness of the letters written also can be varied. You can see here the thickness varies. You can increase the thickness, you can decrease the thickness. So this way you can have high degree of manipulation of my notes. Similarly, if you need to add something, there are a lot of space as you get writing. This is an infinite paper, like an Excel sheet. It goes down as far as you need. It's infinity. It goes on. You can write anything in this way of paper. This is how I write my notes, because I can draw connection between the concept. If I find any connection between this concept and this concept, I can easily write. So if I want to only look at this concept, I can zoom into that concept and have an idea on that concept. So importing image, let's take, you can select an image and you can make a copy of that image and you can paste it anywhere you like. For example, you can paste it in this, or you can have it on a separated page. You can paste that picture. So such a way, once you have written something, or you can you just import an image in this, you can make several copies of that. So this is the first chapter I just got imported, or as a viewer I just got it into my phone. I like to name it under different heading. You can do that. You just change the name of the heading. Let's engineering mechanics. So such a way I named this. So this is the first chapter. I like to place the second chapter on the second page. So I share every chapter separately. So you have to import the second chapter separately. For example, import squid note. You can see this is the second chapter. What I have indicated main is the second chapter. So if I just select that, it gets imported as a separate page. So it just got imported as a separate page. So wherever I'm going to explain certain concepts separately, there will be YouTube link for that separate concept near the concept. For example, if you import this and you look into this concept, if you find this concept easy and understandable, you can just go to the next concept. But if you find it difficult to understand, and if you need any video assistance, you can click this and you can copy this link for YouTube. So with that you can have a video explanation for that concept. So such way I have designed this note. So only if you need a video assistant, you can go to that video assistant. If not, you can have this digital notes for your reference, future reference. So as I said, this is a separate note, not the combined note. This is the first note which I have, first the 0th chapter, this is the first chapter. So if I want to combine this, so this is the this is the first chapter which I have. If I want to combine this, you can just select this all and copy this, and you can paste anywhere around, anywhere on any notes you can place this. For example, as I said, this is the 0th chapter which I have here. I just place the first chapter besides that. So you can see here, I placed the entire chapter on the next page. This is the 0th chapter, this is the first chapter which I can access easily. If you like to paste this first 0th and first chapter on a single page, even that you can do. You just click paste, the whole chapter will be placed aside on the same page. As the page is infinity, you may not worry about the space, you can just go on writing. So I'll just place the first chapter nearby the 0th chapter. So another thing which I like to do, or another option which I provide you with, is if I find something to be added. For example, I'm just a learner like you. I just share whatever I learn, which I make as a digital notes with you. So if I find an additional or new concept which is relevant to this concept, I will be providing you with an update of that. For example, you can see here, I have made an update, a statement of update. If you just select that, this will be open as a separate note. So whatever I have updated, I will be marked. You can see here, I have marked, this is the update which I have additional information which I have provided in that chapter. So if you need, you can just have a look at this. If you find this helpful, relevant to you, you can just copy this, and you can place in your note at the desired point you need. So this way, I hope this will be a great way of collaborating and ideas between me and you. Not only me and you who are willing to share notes, I'm open to you all. My channel will share all worth contents which I feel so. So please do make sure you share your writing with me, and I will make sure you will be get credited to your work. And thank you for listening, and please do make sure you subscribe my channel to see the future updates.